Hello aspirants, welcome back to Bureauflix. So before we proceed, it's time for a jhatpat question. Do you know how many countries the Tropic of Cancer passes through? And more importantly, can you recall them quickly in an exam setting? Well, we all know that geography based questions are a UPSC favorite, and today we are going to learn everything about Tropic of Cancer in just 5 minutes. So today's lecture is the basics of world geography. So let's begin. Now you can see this world map and you can see there are certain lines which are crossing the map. Okay. So these are some imaginary lines. These are some imaginary latitudes we have. And Tropic of Cancer is one of the five latitudes. Now, Tropic of Cancer is located at 23.5 degrees north of the equator and it marks the northernmost point where the sun appears directly overhead during the summer solstice, that is 21st June. I think you all know about summer solstice and 21st June. If you still have some issues with this solstice and how there's an apparent movement of the sun and what are equinoxes, if you have some doubts, you can just mention in the comment section below and I will try my best to come up with a lecture. So what actually happens on 21st June is that the sun cannot go beyond this Tropic of Cancer, and this event is known as summer solstice in the northern hemisphere. 21st June is the day when Tropic of Cancer and even Arctic Circle, okay, beyond everything beyond Tropic of Cancer receives more than 12 hours of sunlight. So just keep this thing in mind because UPSC has this habit of asking questions from this apparent movement of sun and everything. So this is about Tropic of Cancer. Now let's check the countries. So Tropic of Cancer passes through 17 countries. 17 is the number and we will learn via different continents. Okay, so it passes through North America, Africa and some Asian countries. Now let's have a look on these countries. So let me zoom it. Okay, in North America, you have to learn just two countries, Mexico and Bahamas. Okay, we don't need a mnemonic for this one. Of course, they are just two countries. So just remember Mexico and Bahamas. In Africa, we have seven countries and we will learn these with the mnemonic name LMW. We all know about BMW cars. So here's this name LMW, the mnemonic for the African countries. Now, what does these mnemonic stands for? N is for Niger, A for Algeria, M for Mauritania, E for Egypt, L for Libya, M for Mali, and W for Western Sahara. So of course I know countries जो mnemonics है वो काफी countries इधर उधर हैं, they are not in line, but this is the best way you can learn the Tropic of Cancer. Okay. Now if we will proceed towards Asia, so Asia में there are 8 countries through which it passes through, and it's Saudi Arabia, UAE, Oman, India, Bangladesh, Myanmar, China, and Taiwan. Now the mnemonic for this is mob is cute. M is for Myanmar, O for Oman, B for Bangladesh, I for India, S for Saudi Arabia, C for China, U for UAE and T for Taiwan. E का कोई यहाँ पे meaning नहीं है. Okay, so the mnemonic is mob is cute. So let's revise it again. Mexico, Bahamas, Western Sahara, Mauritania, Mali, Algeria, Niger, Libya, Egypt, Saudi Arabia, UAE, Oman, India, Bangladesh, China, and Myanmar and Taiwan last. So just remember these two countries and the mnemonics name LMW and mob is cute. So that's it. This is all for today's lecture and now you know how to quickly recall all the 17 countries the Tropic of Cancer passes through. And yes, tell me in the comment section what is the significance of 21st June? What day is celebrated on this 21st June? And before we end the lecture, here is a quick question which came in UPSC CAPF 2018. And I think you can answer this very easily. The Tropic of Cancer passes through which one of the following countries? Options are North Sudan, Chad, Mali, and Yemen. And if you know this answer, please let me know in the comment section. That's all for today. Like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe for more high yield UPSC and state PSC content. Thank you so much. Jai Hind.